One of the most common questions people ask after being diagnosed with macular degeneration is whether diet or nutrition can help their eyes. There is a lot of information about food, vitamins, and eye health, and it can be confusing. By the end of this video, you'll understand how nutrition relates to macular degeneration and what types of foods and nutrients are commonly discussed for eye health. Welcome to Macular School. I'm Corey, a certified low vision therapist. This channel helps people with macular degeneration and the family members and caregivers who support them understand vision changes and stay independent. Let's start by talking about the relationship between nutrition and the eyes. The retina is a highly active tissue that requires oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Because the retina processes light and visual signals continuously, it's exposed to metabolic activity and oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can affect cells over time. Certain nutrients found in foods may help support the health of retinal cells. Next, let's talk about some key nutrients that are often discussed in relation to macular health. Two nutrients that are frequently discussed are lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients belong to a group of plant pigments called carotenoids. They are naturally present in the macula, the central portion of the retina responsible for detailed vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin are commonly found in leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale. Other colorful vegetables and fruits may also contain these nutrients. Another group of nutrients often discussed in relation to eye health are omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are commonly found in fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These nutrients are involved in many biological processes in the body, including cellular health and inflammation regulation. Vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E, have also been studied in relation to eye health. These vitamins act as antioxidants, which help protect cells from oxidative stress. This large clinical trial evaluated the effect of specific vitamin and mineral supplements on certain stages of macular degeneration. Researchers found that a particular combination of vitamins and minerals may help reduce the risk of progression in some individuals with intermediate or advanced stages of the condition. This formula is commonly referred to as the AREDS or AREDS 2 supplement. However, it is important to remember that supplements are not appropriate for everyone. Individuals should always discuss supplement use with their eye care professional before starting a new regimen or routine. In addition to specific nutrients, overall food choices may also influence health. Many people focus on foods that naturally contain beneficial nutrients. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are commonly recommended. Colorful vegetables, such as carrots, peppers, and squash, may also provide important nutrients. Fish, such as salmon and sardines, are often recommended because they contain omega-3 fatty acids. Many people find that focusing on whole foods rather than highly processed foods supports overall health. Now let's talk about overall diet patterns. Many researchers have studied dietary patterns associated with general health and longevity. One pattern that is frequently discussed is the Mediterranean-style diet. This dietary pattern emphasizes vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and fish. It also tends to include moderate amounts of healthy fats, such as olive oil. Highly processed foods and excessive added sugars are typically minimized in this style of eating. Healthy eating patterns are usually built over time rather than through sudden changes. Now let's talk about daily habits related to nutrition. Some individuals begin by gradually increasing the number of vegetables in their meals. Others experiment with preparing fish or plant-based dishes more frequently during the week. Hydration and regular meal routines also contribute to overall health and well-being. Consistency over time is often more important than any single meal or food choice. It is important to remember that nutrition is only one aspect of managing health. Regular medical care, physical activity, and other lifestyle habits also contribute to long-term wellness. While diet alone cannot cure macular degeneration, healthy eating habits may support overall eye health and general well-being. Choosing nutrient-rich foods and maintaining balanced dietary patterns can be a positive step towards supporting long-term health. Making small, consistent changes over time is often more effective than trying to change everything all at once. The key idea to remember is this: nutrition is one part of overall health, and long-term eating habits are usually more important than any single food or supplement. In other Macular School lessons, we'll continue discussing lifestyle and daily living strategies related to macular degeneration. Thank you for viewing. See you on the next one.